Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand how to add the removed section view in the SolidWorks 2D drawing. First we go in the drawing environment. This is the SolidWorks drawing environment, this one. So this window I am taking this template, A2 ISO, this one, width is this one, 420 is the thing. Okay. I have made a part browse. I have made a one part for which we will add the remove section view. In order to create more than one views, create, and this is the front view and this is the top view. I am taking top view. Create this one and this one. In order to select more than one views, you have to click this create multiple views. Okay, and uncheck this one, front view. I am taking only two views, this and solid portion. Okay, this one. This is the our top view here. Okay. Now normally if you go in this one drawing section view, normally we take the section view. Suppose there are the various types of the cutting lines, orientation of the cutting line, vertical, horizontal. Suppose I take the horizontal. Normally we take the section view in this way. Select center point and this one and this. This is the actually section view. But sometimes in this remove section, we add the slice of section view. Okay. Slice of section view. So this is the removed section view. This is the remove section view. I am taking this one, and you have to select two edges, one to opposite. Suppose this is the one edge and second is the opposite edge, this one. This is the opposite. Now there are the two options, cutting line placement, automatic and manual. First I am take the manual. I have selected two edges and then center point, this one. This is the remove section view. This way. This is the automatic. This one. You can give the dimensions. Suppose annotation, smart dimension, you can give this one, this and this. This is the section view. This is the remove section view, this one. Now we take another example, or drawing remove section view and this. Suppose two edges. Suppose I select this round edge, this one, opposite edge, this one. Then you will see this section line comes here. But this time, if you take the automatic, you can click there and you will find the remove section view. But I am taking this time as a manual. Okay. Now you will see along the edges which you have selected. One is this one, another is this one. So you select any point here, this one, and now along the second edges as you have selected, click this point here, this one, midpoint, and this remove section view here. This gives the, you can see the difference between this is the section view, half section view, okay, and this is the remove section view. Actually this is the slice of section view. Okay, you can clearly this one. Normally you can give the annotation. Now you can give the required dimension. This is the actually counter bore, and you can give from here. This is the depth. You can give from here to here. This is the depth. You can give the dimension from here to here. This one. You can give the dimension in this way. And this one. You can give the dimension in this way. So this is the slice of section view. I take one more example. Drawing, remove section view, Suppose this time I am selecting this edge and this edge. Two opposite, you have to select two edges, one edge and opposite to that, this one. Now I am taking, suppose you take the automatic, you can take any point here and you find the remove section view. But I am taking manual again. This one. Now this point comes here. Select this one and second is this one. So, and manually, and if you select this one manually and this one point is this one, second is this one, and select here this one, you will find this one. In this way you can find the remove section view here. Okay, in this way. Suppose you find this one here. One more example we see, remove section view. This one, this, and opposite as this one, and I am taking manual. Along the edges you have selected this blue point coming. Select this point, option is manual. Now along second edges, this one, select this point and this comes here. This is going outside. Okay, this is the remove section view. Now later on you can give the dimension from here, annotation, smart dimension, you can give here dimension. Okay, so this is very useful in order to give, you want to locate the section view outside the view, you can locate it. Only that portion will be come in the section view. This is the actually half section, this is the remove section one, this is second one, this one. In this way you can locate this. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.